What's up guys, you're watching the video from Technispecie, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about a problem we've been facing, or I have been facing, with Nvidia on my Asus Zephyrus G14. So this is the new software version of 24H2, and I have been facing Nvidia issues with this laptop since I've installed it, and now I have found a fix. So that's the reason why I'm making this video, to tell you guys how I fixed this issue. First of all, the issue is that I cannot install the Nvidia package installer, the display drivers. I couldn't update it, but after I figured it out, it's I am like it's working, and then at least I could update my graphics driver for the Nvidia. But you just have to exercise, some patience during the installation, and it's gonna be good, and you're gonna fix your problem. So with that being said, I'm just gonna just gonna tell you guys how how to fix it. But first of all, I'm gonna be showing you how what I'm getting as an error when I'm trying to install the display driver. So this is what I'm getting: Nvidia installer failed. Nothing is installed. The status is showing negative installation. But after we close this stuff, I'm gonna show you guys how I fixed it. First of all, go to update driver. Okay, let me just start this from the beginning. All right, so I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna select, right click the start button, then I'm gonna go to device manager. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to the display driver, and then I'm gonna right click on the Nvidia RTX 2060. Yours might be something else, but so far it's showing Nvidia GeForce RTX something. That's the option you should go for. I'm gonna select browse my computer for drivers, and I'm gonna click on the file for the display driver. You can download this from the Nvidia kit, but if you have it already, you don't need to download a new one. But I'm just gonna left click, then open it up, and then choose yes. So this is where we will copy what we actually need. Okay, here I'm gonna copy this. Okay, make sure you copy everything. Then I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna make sure I select everything. Make sure you remove that, and then click and then paste it. After you've done this, don't click the next at the moment. Just select OK on the Nvidia display driver software prompt, and then you're gonna wait for some time. Okay, please wait while the files are saved to your computer. When complete, the driver installation will start. So now after it's completed, that's when we will kick off with updating the driver. Okay, now it's gonna say checking system compatibility, but that's not gonna take so much time. When it's on this menu, don't click anything else. Just go here to the update driver prompt and just select next. This is gonna update the driver for you automatically, and it's gonna say here the best drivers for your device are already installed. This is because I've already installed this before making this video, but I'm just showing you guys how I fixed this stuff. As always, I don't do what's not gonna work for you. I only come with something that could help you, and that's how I fixed it. And without chit chat and all this stuff, this just gonna fix the updating driver issue. So with that being said, that will be all for this video. And if you did find this video pretty much helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, as I will be making more awesome videos like this one. And I will see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day. Cheers.